welcome to another kayaking video. This is the start, driving from Stavanger city. Kayak is on the roof. Gonna go towards Sandnes and paddle on my favorite lake here, the Lutsi lake. Complex of lakes, huge lakes with lot of islands and green stuff. So happy already. And this is the lake that I'm gonna be paddling on. Don't say it is not nice, because nobody will believe you. A lot of ships, nice islands everywhere, plenty of green grass and fields and forests. Just fantastic. As you see, those lakes are huge. So what I will do, I will start paddling here to the next lake, towards that one, and I see how far I get over there, because weather isn't perfect now. It started to rain and gonna last for the rest of the day. So we'll see how far I can get, what is still fun and what is not fun anymore. And over there we have Norwegian children on their physical education, paddling canoes. Just managed to cut my finger. It's a bummer, but it will get over quick. Things that I'm gonna have with me today: nice big kayak, because it's a bit windy. It's just faster and better to paddle in that one. First aid kit and food, drinks, extra light and batteries. Phone will be put in the watertight pouch, watertight room. Extra paddle, it's important on big trips. Maybe you will need to save somebody, maybe it breaks, maybe you lose it, so it's always nice to have. Gonna start paddling from here, sliding the kayak down to the water. Putting the spray deck on, so it's nice and tight and waterproof, and take off. As you can see, that kayak is more faster than the short one that I used in the last video, because of the long water line. The longer it is, the more speed you can gain. And the thumb rule is that the length the kayak in meters. It's circa the maximum speed in knots. So 5-meter long kayak gives the top speed more or less 5 knots, which is almost 10 kilometers per hour. But the comfortable cruising speed is on 5 kilometers an hour, which is nice tempo if you are paddling on a long trip like me today. Wind is quite strong, so I'll just let you see, if I stop paddling like now, how fast am I drifting. Whoa, picking up the speed. My god, this is fast. Soon behind the corner I think there will be a passage to the next lake, so I'm excited to see that. That lake isn't too big, but my god, so exciting, so nice, so lovely to be here. I think apart from those Norwegian school children paddling in the canoes behind me, I think I'm absolutely alone here. Now I'm just gonna go to that island and see what's there. So here now, I think this is the passage over there. I'll need to carry the kayak a little bit, then small lake, carry it once more, then I'm back on the big lakes, gonna paddle there, maybe around the islands, maybe through there. I will see, cause there is plenty of wind today. Getting to the land, and that will be a small crossing. I'm gonna carry kayak over the fence from the stones and to the next lake. Not gonna take a long time, I think it's just a super small one, so gonna be fast and smooth. Prepare for landing. Nice and grassy terrain, so I'll just drag it. I'm just gonna drag the kayak, dragging it. It's no more than 50 meters, and here it is, another lake. So nice. looks so calm. I think I've been here already from many years ago, but just swimming open water, no kayak. Fantastic. Going into the boat again, spray the gun, paddle in oar. Yay! I can see the bridge already. You can see the passage already. Gonna be a super short trip. But before crossing, I'm gonna paddle around that island first. And the rain has come again. Started to rain, not pouring down yet, so I still have my jacket in the waterproof hatch, but it's gonna be bad if I start to freeze. I just put it quickly on. So far so good. Look at those happy people, having boats and kayaks and canoes in the backyard. That's a happy life. Coming to the passage, a small bridge. Looks quite narrow, and it doesn't seem to be so very deep. But I also recognize I started swimming from this beach last week, like open water swimming, and swam to the channel to the next lake and then around the island, and then I came back. But that time I was quite cold already. It doesn't go too quick when you swim on your belly. And it was plenty of wind too, much more wind than now, and current. So it was a nice but slow, long trip. I think for today I will paddle around that island and around those and come back the same way, because I can see that in that area I've been plenty, and here as well. So I will leave those two complex of lakes for the next time. Getting close to the big islands, and paddle around and then back. Weather is actually not as bad as in the weather forecast, so that's always a good thing, but it still may get worse. This is Norway, people, so don't trust the weather forecast. Get enough warm clothes and most important, rainproof jackets and pants, because if you don't like the weather here, in 2 hours it's gonna be totally different. unless it's raining, then it will be raining even worse. Hey, high five, Rock. Hello. Hello, rocks. This is the kind of island that I like. Super small, cozy. So I'm gonna approach that one. Try to come from the side, hidden from the wind. And who's calling me now? Oh my god. Coming from the side, hidden for the wind. I'm gonna get on land and find something to eat and drink, have a small break. This is not the best landing place, but still good enough. With the kayak you are not so dependent. It's just about the courage and will. It's easy to get on shore. Speed solves a lot of things. Oh man, gets so stiff in my legs. This is not the ultimate kayak parking, then I don't know. On the hedge I had that cacao drink, lot of proteins it says. Hope it's good in taste. I don't need so much proteins because I just get fat, but still hope it will be a good stuff. The island itself, super small, tiny. I don't think this is a good camping place if you have a tent or hammock. The trees aren't too big, but for a small break couldn't be so much better than that. It's not only commercial for that drink, bought it for my own money. Let's see if it's any good. So thick. I think this is the first and last time that I'm done with my drink and with my small break. Gonna get into the kayak again and paddle some more. Spray the cone, grab the paddle, turn around. Let's go. here. Okay, I think I started paddling around here, so one more island and then back the same way. Going against the wind again, probably like 5-6 meters per second, so not bad, just okay to paddle. Only on my arms I can see the goosebumps, a bit cold. If I paddle hard I will get a bit more warm, but also a bit sweaty. I don't want to sweat today, so going slow. It's gonna be bad, I will put the jacket on, but I'm almost back now. See the birds resting on the island, but now they're gone, flying away. Not much going on now. Coming close to the cabins and to the end of the trip, which is always a bummer. The good thing about today's trip that this is a round trip, so even though I'm coming back to the same spot, but still I'm going different way, and that is a thing that I really appreciate. I hate going back the same way, feeling that yeah, now it's the time to go home. Man, that sucks so much. See the happy people by the cabin. Now the trip is sadly coming to an end. I can see the bridge, and behind that cabin I parked my car. So another day in the kayak. Well, not a whole day, just a few hours, but still not complaining. Time in the kayak is always a good time. See the swans going through the same bridge backwards now. Was looking at the swans and taking a picture, and then decided to go that one backwards again, and then turn. Those young swans are making really funny sounds, and the water is surprisingly warm today. Looks like they're with the mother, so I'm not gonna bother them. I mean, turning, minding my own business. Hello, swans. And goodbye for now. dragging my kayak up again because it's nice grass, so it will be fine. I say thank you for making it to the end with me, and I hope see you in the next video. Bye.